Hi everyone, my name is Matin and I've been working in IT industry for over 10 years. I started out with a background in electronics and completed courses like Cisco, VMware, NSX, Microsoft Datacenter, CH and SANS. Currently, I work as a network administrator and deal with servers, virtualizations, firewalls, and monitoring tools. I want to share real-life IT problems and how I solve them practical, step-by-step troubleshooting. Expect videos on Cisco ASA, Zabbix, VMware, and more based on a real issue from production environments. Whether you are a student, junior IT professionals, or experienced admin, there is something here for you. Subscribe, comment, share your experiences, and let's grow together as IT professionals. Thank you for joining me. Let's dive in.